Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art. And in today's video we are going to do a beautiful coasters with a holder, and design will be a gold peacock, and it will be really nice see-through blue and gold colors. So I have premixed already my resin, which is 1:1 ratio, and I will have 5 different colors today. So I'm trying to split resin into 5 cups. The last one I'm leaving a little bit more of the resin, as I will need extra clear resin for my silicone big mold for the holders. And I'm just spreading, pouring nicely resin into smaller cups, so it will be all ready to create our colors. And for the first color we are going to use liquid pigment, which is blue color, and I'm just going to add 4 drops on this one. With this design all colors will be see-through, so I don't have solid pigment with this design. I added a few more drops to make it a little bit darker color, and this blue is quite light, so I will be adding a few more drops of a bit darker blue, which is royal blue pigment, and I will just adding a couple of more drops of this one as well. And now I'm going to add a little bit of mica powder, and the color is blue and it's really beautiful shimmery color. Give it a really good mix, and as you can see it's still see-through but really nice shimmer to it. And for the next one we are going to use a golden mica powder, and I'm just adding 1 spoon. See if I'm happy with the color. Again, give it a really nice mix, and color is beautiful. It's really shimmery and sparkly color. So for the third color we are going to use a white mica powder, and it's called silver white. So again it's really nice and shimmery, really sparkly color. And with the mica powder you need to mix it really well, otherwise if you're not going to mix it well, when you're going to pour it in your molds it can sit on the bottom of your coasters and it can ruin your design. Next one we are going to use blue color, and again it's pigment. They all see through, so as you can see it's really light color, so I'm adding some purple mica powder as well, and it makes really beautiful combination of the darker blue purpley color, and they all really shimmery and beautiful colors. And this is just our clear resin. Again, make sure you really mix it really well before you start doing your design. All colors are really nice mixed now, and I'm starting with a lighter blue color, and we just need to pour it in the middle of your mold. With this design, I'm going to pour just a little bit of resin, and we're going to go over 3 times, as normally you would add more resin and it will be just twice. So this one is a little bit different. So now we're going to add golden mica, and all colors are really beautiful and shimmery, sparkly, so the finished design should be really beautiful. And now we're going to add a white. Make sure you use a spatula or a tissue to stop any drips from your plastic glass, so otherwise it can leave the marks on your design. So this one is a second purpley blue color. And now we are going to do a golden color again. And the white. Light blue color. And again gold. I just need to make sure I've got enough resin left for my holder as well, because when I will finish with these round molds I need to do holder as well. So dark blue purpley color. And the white. And a little bit of blue. And just to finish with a clear. And with a clear you need to do it really pouring really slow, but I do put it quite high, so it really helps to spread a design, and you can put it quite a lot. So just adding slightly more. I'm just going to go with my torch. Again, you need to do it really nice and quick. So I'm just continue to doing my holder. We'll start with a clear color, and then I will be just randomly putting mica powders in a different order to create a different design. And again, you can do different color combination and the result will be completely different if you mix the color in different order. I'm just going to finish with a clear resin as well to help the spread design. I still have some colors left, so we'll take my square mold and we'll just do same design in a different patterns, just puddle pouring, and we'll see what we'll get from this one. And to finish, I'm just going to go over again with my torch to make sure it's all bubble free. And this is half an hour later, and you can see how beautiful the colors spread, the combination of colors, the shimmer, and this is really looks like a peacock. And I love this golden mica powder, is amazing. Look at this blue with a gold, just beautiful. Can't wait to see what we'll have. Thank you very much for watching, and please like my video, subscribe, put a notification so you will be able to see all my new tutorials with the resin and new videos to come. And this is the final result. I have added the golden sides as well, and I think it's really looks really nice. Look at this beautiful shimmer. It's really nice and see-through and gentle finish. Look at these beautiful drops on the holder. I think it's just amazing. So as you can see, I've got two one sides and two other sides, and this is my square mold which had some leftovers, and it's really nice result, really nice and shimmery. And adding this golden finish, I think it just adding up. Look at these beautiful drops on the side, they just look amazing, and combination of colors and this shimmer and gold. I'm really happy with the result. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked it as well. Please like my video, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you very much, and see you soon.